started? Okay, so we're going to use 2 eggs and we're going to separate the whites, and we're going to use some baker's sugar and almond milk. Basically that's all there is to it. And what we're going to do is separate the eggs real quick, and we'll keep the white because that's the white that we're going to use. So I'm going to separate eggs. 1 egg. And 2 white eggs. Then we keep this. Wipe off our fingers a little bit. And we're going to add in the crystals, some of our almond milk, probably about half a pack. So that's let's see, this is about a pound, so 3/4 pound of almond milk. And then we add a bit less of the amount, so about half a pound, or let's say a 1.5 cups of sugar, and we mix it together. High speed. And then slowly we're going to add our whites, and that's going to combine both of the ingredients together until it becomes a paste. Basically it's making almond paste that you can also use for cooking. You're going to see it kind of starting to get thicker. For some reason that doesn't work, you can add a little bit of moisture to another egg white or a little bit of water until it does this. Combine like this, is done. Try to have a couple of turns on top, hopefully it starts sticking. Okay, well, it's pretty much done. So yeah, so we made almond paste, as you can see. This is ready to eat, or fashioned. So what we're going to do, we're going to fashion them on a parchment paper that we previously put on a pan like this, so make it a little bit easier. So we have our parchment paper over here, so it doesn't stick. And I personally like to use one of those cookie spoons, like a little ice cream, and you make little dough half balls over here that you separate a little bit. It goes fairly quick. You can also eat it like this. It's delicious. If you like almond paste. So you want to separate the cookie dough enough so they can spread, and right after we put them in there, we're going to use a wet paper towel to flatten them, and that's going to allow them to cook evenly, kind of like a macaron shape. And on that we can just cook them like this, or we can add some pine nuts. I like to add pine nuts on top. It makes it pretty and it tastes good. So we'll do that real quick. So let's finish another row of this almond paste. See, it went fairly quick. There's nothing to it. that's when we're going to use a wet paper towel or a wet towel and flatten them up. So I'll bring a little towel, fold it and wet it on both sides, and then we'll use this to flatten our macaron to make him look like a macaron. And it's now almost ready to cook. If you like them just like this, or we can add, as I said earlier, something on top, either almond shavings or pine nuts or hazelnut or just about anything you like to eat. So we'll take a spoon to put this on top like this. You can do it a lot more artistic than what I do. I'm just kind of showing the basic recipes. From there you can make it look prettier or use different ingredients. And after this is ready, we preheat our oven at 375 and we're going to cook those for about 15 minutes. And they will cook nice and firm on the outside, and they'll stay kind of moist on the inside, and that's the part that I personally enjoy. So we're almost ready. Have about enough. So you could put more or less, that's really up to you. Voila. Tighten them a little bit and put them in the oven at again 375 and the bottom middle for about 15 minutes. So this is it. We'll show you afterwards how it looks and how it tastes.